Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Layla from Speak Up London, your English school right here in central London. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our YouTube channel, Speak Up London, for more fun and useful British English lessons every week. And if you're in London, come and study English with us at Speak Up London, which is right on Oxford Street. We'd love to help you take your English to the next level. Now, let's get started. Pick up. This means learn or collect. I picked up a lot of new phrases from that series. Or she picked up some French while traveling.
Do you think you'd get a chance to pick up some milk for their kids? For their cereal in the morning?
Number 2, find out. This means discover. Let's find out what time the class starts. I found out that the shop is closed on Mondays.
Well, if you read the story, we might find out.
3 is look after, which means take care of. Can you just look after my bag for a minute? She looks after her little brother every day.
And look after us like we've been looking after you for the past 5 years.
Number 4 is give up, which means to stop doing. She gave up sugar last month. He gave up smoking 2 years ago.
The Toon Squad doesn't give up at halftime.
Number 5, carry on, continue. Carry on reading while I check this. We carried on walking despite the rain.
Just carry on.
Set up. This means arrange or start. They set up a study group after class, or she set up her own business last year.
If you're done with the DVD player, can you set up my printer?
7, turn up or turn down. This means to increase or decrease or refuse. Turn the music down, please. It's too loud. She turned down the job offer.
You know what? If I can turn down a marriage proposal today, then you, my friend, you can go win your man back.
Put off. This means delay. Don't put off your speaking practice again. He put off the meeting until next week.
I really wanted to tell Kim, but I kept putting it off and she is so happy.
Sort out, which means organize or solve. Let's sort out the timetable after lunch. She sorted out all the documents before the meeting.
How do we sort out the liars?
Number 10 is take up. Start a hobby, or it can also mean to occupy a space or time. For example, he took up boxing last year. This sofa takes up too much space in the living room.
The process can take up to 6 weeks.
Bring up. This means mention or raise a child. I'll bring up visas at the end of the meeting. Or she brought up 3 interesting points in class.
And don't you dare bring up Carlton or that brother from Star Trek.
Come up with. Think of, for example, an idea or a clam. We came up with 3 solutions in class. He came up with a great idea for the project.
So we've been thinking and we think we may have come up with another idea.
Figure out or work out. This means to understand or calculate. It took a while to figure out the online system. She worked out the maths problem really quickly.
What did you figure out?
14, run into, which means meet by chance. I ran into my old classmate on Oxford Street. She ran into her teacher at the cafe.
He did, but he didn't go because he thought he might run into Vince again.
Catch up with. This means to reconnect or reach the same point. Let's be early to catch up before class. I need to catch up with my emails over the weekend.
I'll catch up later, okay?
Time for a quick quiz. Don't worry, it's just for fun. Try to answer in your head, or you can write it down. So let's start. Question 1. Which phrasal verb means to discover something? Is it A, pick up, B, find out, or C, carry on? The correct answer is B, find out. Let's move on to number 2. Which phrasal verb would you use to stop doing something? Is it A, give up, B, look after, or C, run into? The correct answer is A, give up. Question 3. You meet your friend by chance in the street. Which phrasal verb is correct? A, catch up, B, run into, or C, set up? It's B, run into. Question 4. Which phrasal verb means to organize or solve something? A, thought out, B, put off, or C, turn down? The correct answer is A, sort out. And that's it. 15 phrasal verbs every English learner must master. Which ones do you use the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel, Speak Up London, for more great British English lessons. And if you're in London, come and study English with us at our school, Speak Up London, right in the heart of the city. meet amazing teachers, improve your fluency, and have fun learning English the British way. I'm teacher Lena, thanks for watching, and as we say here in Britain, cheers!